Hey guys, you're also there. Today I have the pleasure to introduce you to our super new amazing products. First of all, our new Bosch professional electric toothbrush for a quick washing of teeth during lunch break. Of course, with the wireless charging 18-volt battery and the new Bosch professional toothbrush towel and toothbrush cup. And the best of all, we are the first suppliers worldwide in the market of professional construction, dentistry and beard care. This promises fat margins and a gigantic growth market. Because even craftsmen have to brush their teeth regularly and take care of their beards constantly. Super awesome! Da kommen Leute, Toothbrush towel, new and toothbrush cup.
No, wait.
Hi everyone, my name is Yvonne and I'm the real product manager for hand tools at BI. Yes, we did a few mistakes in the past. Bosch Workwear was maybe not the next big thing for us and the user, and also some of the other ideas did not work out as we expected. But we want to learn from failure and improve to best serve our users' needs. The solution is maybe way too easy and obvious that you ever thought about it. And even if you're really sad now, the toothbrush and the shaver are not going to be launched this year. You know we want to launch a limited edition of hand tools this year, and I know you think it's the next crazy idea of marketing, but actually it's not. To 1/3 of all tools a professional is using per day are actually still hand tools. Today, if you go into a store or search online, there are just so many hand tools that it's really confusing for the user. So many brands, so many prices, it's really hard to make a choice. Bosch Professional is market leader for power tools in Europe, and we have almost 40 million users in BI that we address. And we know that we have a strong brand that users trust. So let's give our users hand tools with professional quality that they love to use, just as they do with power tools. Bosch Professional hand tools, only the best for the pro, and now also without a motor.